In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Elementor. Let's get right into it. With your page open in the Elementor editor, we'll begin by placing the button on the canvas. On the left, you'll see the Elementor panel with all your widgets. If you don't spot the button widget right away, use the search bar at the top and type button. Once you see it, click and drag the button widget onto your page. Drop it exactly where you want it to appear, inside a section or column. As soon as you release it, you'll see a placeholder button appear on the canvas, which means it's ready to customize. Now that the button is in place, look back to the left panel. Elementor automatically switches to the settings for the widget you just placed. Under the Content tab, find the text field. This is where you set what your button says. Keep it short, clear, and action-focused. Phrases like "get started," "learn more," or "contact us" work well because they tell visitors exactly what happens next. Avoid vague words. Aim for something that supports your page goal and matches the section it's in. Right below text, you'll find the link field. This is where you control where the button takes your visitors. If you're linking to an external page, paste the full URL, including the HTTPS prefix, to ensure it loads correctly. If you're linking to another page on the same site, start typing the page name and select it from the suggestions, which keeps your links consistent. You can also link to a specific spot on the same page by using a hashtag, followed by the anchor ID, like hashtag pricing, as long as that anchor exists on the page. You'll also see link options you can toggle if needed, such as opening the link in a new tab or marking it as no follow for certain external links. Use these only when they make sense for your user experience and SEO strategy. That's it for the core setup. The button is on your page, the text communicates clearly, and the link directs visitors where you want them to go. When your page is viewed, clicking the button will take users straight to the URL you entered. As a quick best practice, keep your button text consistent across your site and ensure the destination matches the promise in the text. If you want to adjust the look later, the Style and Advanced tabs offer controls for colors, spacing, and more, but the essential steps are simply placing the widget, setting the text, and entering the link. You've just added a functional button in Elementor.